Hi everyone, welcome to Focal Academy. See in this problem, how to find complex power, apparent power, real power and reactive power. So whenever RMS voltage and RMS current was given, this is the problem. So if you know the complex power, we can easily find apparent power, real power and reactive power. Now here the problem is how to find complex power. So complex power, it was represented with as that is equal to VRMS into conjugate of IRMS. IRMS conjugate. So this is the standard formula for finding complex power. So whenever phasors are given, means phase angle is given. Now substitute these two equations in this equation, we will get 250 with phase angle minus 10 into 6.2. Here apply the conjugate. Conjugate means amplitude is same, that is 6.2, and phase angle becomes minus half. So minus half minus means plus. So angle is plus 25. Here minus 25 is there. It becomes plus 25 because conjugate. Next. Now how can you simplify this? Here this is one phasor form and this is another phasor form. So whenever the multiplication between two phasor forms, how to multiply it? So let's see here. Amplitude A with phase angle theta 1 was going to product another phasor, that is amplitude is B with phase angle is theta 2. So at that time product these amplitudes, that is A, B. So and sum of the phase angles, that is phase angle of theta 1 plus theta 2. So this is the standard procedure. So the multiplication between phasor forms. Now here 250 into 6.2 and phase angle is minus 10 plus 25. So by simplifying this, we will get 1550 with phase angle 15 degrees. So this is the complex power. So convert this complex power phasor form into complex number. That is amplitude is 1550 cos theta 15 plus I sin 15. So what it means? So whenever any phasor form is given like this, it can be written as the amplitude into cos of theta 1 plus I sin theta 1, that's equal to phasor form. So this is the relation between phasor form to complex number conversion. Now I apply here. Now by further simplification we will get this one as 497.2 plus J 401.2. So for the complex power, the unit is volt ampere. So this is a complex power in complex number form and complex power in phasor form. Now complex power is completed. Now how can you find the apparent power, real power and reactive power? So apparent power is nothing but we can easily get from the phasor form. Here whatever the amplitude, that is the apparent power, that is 1550. Next, real power. So real power and reactive power we can easily get from the complex number. So the real part is called as real power, that is 497.2, and imaginary part is called as reactive power, that is 401.2. Now what are the units for apparent power, real power and reactive power? So apparent power units and complex power units are same, that is volt ampere, and for real power the units are watts, and reactive power the units are var. Complex power units are volt ampere. So and this is the process of simplification for getting complex power, apparent power, real power and reactive power. So whenever RMS voltage and RMS current was given. And thanks for watching. Please subscribe, like, share. Thanks.